Hello dear children, this is Alok sir. I have brought this new video for Newton's law of motion of class 9. In this part of the video, I will explain Newton's first law of motion, inertia, force, and second law and third law you will get in upcoming parts of the video. So see, Newton proposed three laws regarding motion of an object. These set of laws are called Newton's law of motion. See, the first law is very important for your exam point of view. What is the definition of first law of motion? According to first law of motion, if an object is in stationary state, it will remain in stationary state, or if an object is in the state of motion, it will remain in motion until and unless an external force will not act on that object. Means an object is in stationary state, it will remain at a stationary state up to infinite time until and unless an external force, that is an external agent, will not lift the object, will not throw the object. It will remain in a stationary state. In the second part, it is written that if an object is in the state of motion, that if an object is moving, it will remain in moving state until and unless an external force not act on that object. We will take an example of football. When we kick the ball on the ground, ball start moving, but after a while, after some time, after going a distance, ball will stop. Why ball stop there? While Newton's law say that if an object is in moving state, ball must have to move. Ball stop because friction of force and air resistance. If there is no friction of force and no air resistance, ball will not stop. So Newton's first law states that if an object is in stationary state, it will remain in stationary state. If an object is in the state of motion, it will remain in the state of motion until and unless an external force not act on that. This is very important line. So this is the definition of Newton's first law of motion, and from this definition we get the idea of inertia and force. From this law we come across the idea of force and inertia. Inertia is what, my dear children? Inertia is the tendency to resist any change of state of object. That is, if an object is in the state of rest, it wants to be at rest, or if an object is in the state of motion, it wants to be in motion. This tendency to resist any change of state by the object is called inertia. Inertia is simply the tendency to resist any change. Now force, definition of force according to this law. Force, from the above law of motion we get the definition of force also. According to the law, force is that physical entity which changes or try to change the state of an object. That is, force can change the object from rest to motion or motion to rest. So this is the definition of force, definition of inertia from first law of motion. In exams, question may come that what is the definition of force from Newton's first law of motion? What is the definition of inertia from Newton's first law of motion? So these things we can define from the first law of motion, that is inertia and force. So this is the end of the video. In next part you will see that you will see second law of motion and the third law of motion. So stay tuned for that.